Hey, so I got a new Father's Day gift and I'm so excited. Today's Saturday before Father's Day. None of my kids know that it came in the mail, so I'm gonna get it. So we're gonna do a little bit of a product review. I'm gonna open this up. This is the new Smove Stabilizer Smart. It does for it's an extended stabilizer for your smartphone. So I'm really excited about that. Let's open this thing up. This is what it looks like. Can you see it? Smove. I saw this on on an ad, and then I researched it on YouTube, and I really am excited about it. So here's the directions. Voila. One of the things I like about it is it's extendable, right? Like that. So you get a little bit further reach, especially when you're 6'5" and you've got a long reach already, but then just gives that little bit more. And it's a rechargeable battery on the inside. One of the things I didn't like about my past one is that it had these two little, like, I don't know what they were, what kind of batteries they were, but they would die so quickly, especially when I tried to put my iPhone 8 on there. It's so much weight, the batteries would die. It comes with a nice little stand. Look at there. Pretty sweet, man. So you can just set that up just like that. Set your phone in there or your GoPro and just let it go to work. So now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and charge it and get it all up to charge. What I was saying, you just use a regular USB, plug it into any wall mount, charge it. I'm figuring it'd probably be a 20-minute charge, maybe longer. I'll let you know, and then we'll put it to use. Be right back. Okay, so we're back. I've charged it. It actually didn't take that long to charge. So one of the things that you're going to want to make sure that you do is do not turn this on without the phone already being loaded. I've loaded it comes with an app, so I've loaded the app onto my phone already. Then I was able to sync it to Bluetooth, so I've already done that, and so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. The power button is right in the middle. Just turn that on and the whole thing just powers right up. So you go to your settings and you go to your Bluetooth, and I already have it there. So it's I think this is FY, yeah. So you get connected. It is connected now. Get it back. Go to the app, open the app, and there you go. It's all done. It's all synced together. Just click on that. Connection successful. It just gives you a bunch of different options in through here, but what I'll talk about real quickly is it has automatic following. So you could, like, if someone was standing there, you could click on the screen, it zeroes in on them, and then no matter if they move, this will follow them, this will track them. So one of the things that it has is it's got a menu on the side here as well. So right now it's connected to video, and because I'm connected on here, all I would do is hold down the record button here and it makes the phone record. But I could also go to time lapse. And what's really cool about the time lapse is I can not only have the camera go into time lapse, I can direct the camera where to go. What it does is it memorizes. I hold it from here and I tell it to go from there to there, say. Then I start it and it'll start right where it's supposed to start, and then you hit time lapse and it'll, over the time, it will track that same route that I put in. All of your lighting is up in the menu here. You can have always on, you can have automatic, open, close, all that. You can do front and rear. So you can do what's called an object follow or you can do a face follow. So if you're in a meeting and someone's speaking, you can click onto their face and it'll just track their face and follow them across the room. If it's an object follow, then no matter where you go, it's going to lock onto that object, and as you move, it'll just stay on that. And you know, say an airplane or a car driving down the road, you can lock onto that. Because this is synced up, all of your movements of the camera are here, and this toggle switch right here, you can go up, down, left and right. It also has your record button here. You also has zoom on the side. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and there's a toggle switch on the back as well. So now what I'd like to do is go ahead and give it a try. We'll pull it apart here. You got a nice little extra expandable, you know, all your controls are here, so but you can still expand it out, which I like a lot. So I'm going to give it a little shot here, and I'll show you the video. We're going to move over there. Let's move it back to not. Well, it's on slow-mo now, so let's just do slow-mo. Let's see what that's like. So we hit the power, the record button. There we go. Obviously don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to hit the object there. All right, there it is. So I'm locked in on the object. Let's go there. So in my estimation, the first test that I just did, I was a complete failure at what I was doing. So I'll try this again and not do it in slow-mo. We'll just take a regular video and we'll hit record. I'll get the phone up there like that. That's good. And hit. The object is on. Okay, and we're going to hit record. There we go. And obviously that was much better. So maybe that has something to do with it. I locked it in before I started recording, and then I was over. So just a good little test of it, and I'm sure I'll be able to do a lot more. I really like this telescoping. This was $159, and for $159 I really don't know of a better one on the market, and I'm going to enjoy proving myself right or proving myself wrong. So this is a great Father's Day gift, and I'm very grateful to have it. Obviously, I'm not an expert. I just wanted to do a quick little review on this and just tell my kids that I'm very grateful for my Father's Day gift, even though I bought it myself. Hey, thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more videos from my beautiful bride and I. Have a great day.